Alright, this is a very nice Keithley 2000 multimeter, fully tested and very nice in good working condition. And this is the actual item for sale. Currently it's connected to a resistor, or changing resistor. You can test the resistance. It's set on 47 kilo ohm. Of course this is not an accurate resistance. This is the accurate reading, 46.15 whatever. And let's change that to change it to 22. It's showing here 21.7, and let's do it 100 kilo ohm, etc. So let's do another test of DC voltage. I'll disconnect and connect it here. It's set on the 15 volts here. So for that, I'll disconnect that positive here and here. Okay, so as you can see, it's showing exactly 50. If I change it like that, whatever, 28.3. Very nice. So it's really working nice. I limited the current here so I can check current here. So if I put that, change the voltage to lower voltage, because before that I did low voltage. So let's put that on DC amp. Showing 268 milliamps. It's 250 here. This is the limiting. Just increase the limit to 420, showing 438. Of course this one is accurate. This is the measuring device and it looks good. The display is very good, clean and nice, and it's a very nice unit. So it's a fully tested unit with a good price. Thank you.